Hey everybody, Ali Craig here for Entreventure, and on this week's episode of Modern Marketing Methods, we are talking about the speed of distribution. Because let's get honest, it's getting crazy. When I started in the field of branding over 20 years ago, we had an evolutionary time of every 6 to 8 years, meaning every 6 to 8 years a brand would update its logo, its copy, its colors. It would just kind of give itself a little visual refresh. Now we're almost at 4 to 6 months is how quickly this evolution is having to occur, which is great for entrepreneurs, but which is bad for entrepreneurs, because what this means is we can move quickly, unlike major corporations, but we also don't have the resources that if what we decide to put out today that makes sense today, what if in 4 to 6 months it doesn't work anymore? But we've invested all this time and all this energy into it. And what if other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, social media, decide to all of a sudden just, change the rules on us, and our entire year plan of marketing goes down the drain instantly? Well, that's where we have to understand and choose marketing methods that they don't have control over, people. Modern marketing and the speed of distribution that we have to think of, it is so instant that we have to think so far in advance. And on many levels, it's a gamble on if it works. So how do you think in the speed of distribution? Because you can't produce things instantly, at least not good. You have to be unique and original. So you can't just copy what everyone else is doing. You can't just think outside the box. We're thinking in another field, basically. That is how you work this idea of speed of distribution to your advantage. Because when you're so far out of the box that you're in another field, whatever you produce, even if it takes longer technically in time, it will have that shock and awe impact that we need your marketing materials to have. So that uniqueness and originality will feel fresh. Problem is, people will copy you, but at least you'll be the leader and you'll have that experience in that moment. And that is what your brand needs. So will you ever win the speed of distribution? No, because the speed of distribution, especially as AI and other technology comes into place, is getting quicker and quicker. And there's no way you can compete with that. So stop trying to compete with the speed of distribution and start competing with the originality factor. That is what will always be your advantage, because that is the human advantage.